How to download Adobe Illustrator for free on PC. Hi everybody. If you are wondering how, you can follow up these easy steps. So for that, you can head over to the official website of Adobe, adobe.com, and go ahead and locate up Adobe Illustrator on your screen. After that, you should be finding this interface. So here usually we have buy now and free trial option. So if you want to purchase, you can go ahead and purchase, but if you want it for free, we have this option of free trial on our screen. You can go ahead and click on it. And when you go ahead and click on it, you will be, going and accessing that. But in order to access a free trial, you need to have certain requirements, which is going ahead and paying for it. So you can go ahead and access the monthly feature, this application, and when you do, you can go ahead and cancel it anytime and there will be no fee. So that allows you to have the experience of Adobe for free, and you can just go ahead and cancel it anytime after the 7 days trial over. So that is it for now. We can follow the step if you want to download Adobe for free or use the Adobe Illustrator for free for now. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.